So first of all, I just take my small brush. You are also taking the brush for color. I just take it. First watch, okay? I just make it this area. This area is coloring like this. So this is calling the as a fast tone. I put the fast tone like this. Okay. So you need the either charcoal dust, or you can make the charcoal dust with the you know with the blade. You can take like this charcoal dust. For example, if you have a nail at home or a knife, just take your charcoal pencil, or always buy charcoal pencil because this is charcoal only, and you can make it like this. This also the if you have not charcoal dust, you can use this using this, because I'm also when I have not charcoal available, I do like this. So this is the one process. So arams you can do it. Okay. So what I do after the drawing, I just making the fast tone, just basic tone. Okay. Here is the basic tone I put it. Only this. What areas is dark, I put only that area little dark. Okay, that's it. First you do this. Okay. I just take it back with the. This is actually this makeup brush. Yeah, I keep. After your drawing done, you can. Okay, so I just start the second tone. See how I just take my pencil over here. I start from the beaker. How can maintain the same style? See, I just make it little rough and tough. Like a very rough line I'm using. I'm not everywhere. I'm not making the line. See, this is. This is some we are explore some different artist technique. This art styles are usually created by the great artist called Victor Ambos. So we are using a little bit of okay. I just make it first few minutes, then after that you are just observe the techniques how are okay slowly make it and using this is lots of lines, see random lines. How can create the same characters. The hand is using very random. See, I just miss is very random. Slowly, I just show slow. Okay, now start.